Okay, Starkey's Farmstead is giving that tutorial in April, the early part of April. What I'm doing here is rooting up plants. That's a blackberry. It has big, juicy, big berries, good. And these little plants here are different ones, watermelon, you name it, fig tree. Now, I got that one blackberry there. There's about 4 small blackberries in there. There's a little bitty one right there. And I got this one and this one, the pot. That's no biggie. I put my pot on here, make a circle, cut it out, stick it in the bottom, and look at my potting soil. Notice the paper and the sand in it. People, I make my own. If for any reason I run low. Now, if these plants were going in my raised bed, what I would do is I'd go out there and take the soil out of the raised bed, mix my paper and sand and the worm poop out of my worm bed right here. And then I would take and mix it, get the plants in a pot. Then when they start time to transplant, I put them back in the same bed that the soil came out of. So I'm putting in more soil than I'm taking out. See, that's just a trick. Why buy it when you're gonna put it back anyway? Now, in this pot here, and that little bitty one right there, I got it soaking in a solution of worm poop and water. I just scooped a handful, threw it in the water, stuck them in there, let them soak while I'm getting the pots in already. Then I'll go ahead and pot them. And believe me, that will make a difference. They'll be wilted down, kind of like this. And actually they set in that solution for about 20 minutes. Well, in plain water, they'll come back. But that solution really helps. All right, like and subscribe.